YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy 360 Woods here, and you already know what's going down. We back with another video. Alright, I know y'all been waiting on this video. Man, y'all probably just sitting there, y'all were just like, man, when is 360 Woods gonna upload? You know, and look, you already know I got you. You know, I just gave myself a fresh cut because I got tired of y'all talking about my lineup and saying like, dang, bro, you better fire your barber. Man, hey, don't come at me like that. Do not come at me like that, alright? You can't come at me like that. You know why? Because I'm my own barber. So y'all can't tell me to fire myself, because I know. Nobody knows my hair better than myself. You know, I mean, and plus all the barbers in Indiana, I've never found a good, decent barber yet. It's either they pushing my lineup all the way up to here, they can't fade. I was just like, man, I can't cut it myself. Cut it myself. You know, because I know how I like my hair. I know I don't want my lineup all the way back to my forehead or anything like that. But you know what? We're not gonna talk about this. I'm not about to talk your ear off because y'all hate when I'm going. I don't like that. Okay, y'all don't like when I talk your ear off. So you know what? I'm done talking. I'm done talking. Just get to the video. Come on, let's go. Let's get to the video. So you guys already know what this video is about. And I mean, if you don't know what the video is about right now, I mean, y'all just need some help. Y'all need some help, all right? Because I mean, I don't know.
Sit the fuck down.
Y'all need to stop skipping school, because that means y'all ain't going to school. Y'all ain't getting your education, because it says it right there in the title. I mean, before you even clicked on the video, it says it right there in the title. You know, I'm gonna be talking about, you know, oh shoot. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. When I go to these videos, like, I have an idea in mind of what the video's gonna be about, but it's like, I just turn on the camera, I just start going.
Don't care.
You know what I'm saying? Cause like when things are scripted, it's like I'm not myself. So you know, I just turn on the camera, I said, boom, here's my topic, I'm gonna go with it.
Don't care.
And I kinda just forgot my topic, so.
Still don't care.
Can you get waves with dead straight hair? Yeah, can you get waves with dead straight hair? And you know what, I get this a lot, okay? Now I had to make a video about it. I had to. I'm gonna tell you why. It's because it's the most asked question in the DMs. And if this camera keeps going out of focus, I'm gonna
Jesus Christ.
But, you know, this is the most frequently asked question in my DMs. And I mean, like, out of any question, like, how do you get waves for beginners?
Still don't care.
And most people are saying, man, I got Asian hair, I got dead straight hair, I got hair that doesn't wave, curl, nothing. Can I get waves? And look, I've touched on this in the past. But I've never really, like, talked about it, because apparently I didn't do well about it, you know, nitpicking all in my other videos. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'm not doing a good job. Maybe I should just come out and flat out make a video about it, so y'all can stop asking the same questions. So, as you guys know, there is something called the hair scale. Now, the hair scale is basically, it just tells you different things, like different textures of hair. On the hair scale, okay, there's a 1. And the one that has no wave, it's just one straight line. And that means you got dead straight hair. If your hair does not wave, if it don't curl, if you come at me saying, can I get waves, and you got coarse hair, I swear I'm y'all gonna get that fix you guys. Look, I'm sorry guys. It's just I get a little, you know, like it just, sometimes I love helping y'all, but sometimes y'all be asking dumb stuff, and it's just like, come on, bruh. I mean, for the people that are ignorant to it, I can't get on y'all. I'm not mad at y'all. Don't come at me saying, bro, I just didn't. Hey, look, I ain't mad at y'all. I'm talking about the people who just trolling, bruh. So you can't be trolling. Look, I'm here to help y'all, and y'all over here trolling, man. Okay, so this is how you find the hair scale. You literally go on Google, you type in hair scale, and then this is gonna put up. This is what it looks like, okay? This right here is what it looks like. That's a 1. That's all the way coarse, like top coursey hair you can. That's the type of hair we call nigga hair, okay? So if you got nigga hair, that means you are a 4C. If you got white boy hair, or Asian hair, don't do nothing, you got a 1, okay? You got a 1. Now, for the people that have always been wondering what type of number or where I'm at on the hair scale, I mean, look, I am between a 2B and a 2C. Because my hair is curly, but it's not medium texture. It still falls in the straight hair waiver category, okay? Because in this video, you can talk about so many things. You can talk about so many things. And y'all go get on me. Say, get to the point. Dude, I think I'm trying to help you guys. I'm trying to tell y'all the difference between straight hair waiver. You can get waves with that straight hair. I'm trying to help y'all. Yeah, let me help y'all. Come on, let me help you. Come on, bring it in. Get the off me. Get the off me, nigga. No. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Okay, so like, if you, okay, I'm gonna go through the steps. We'll make sure coarse, medium, and then straight hair waiver. Cause y'all be getting on me saying,
bro, like you're saying you got straight hair, but you don't even have straight hair. Like, how can you like say that you have straight hair and then push how to get straight hair waves when you don't even got straight hair? You have curly hair, bro. How? Like, this doesn't make sense to me, bro. How? Bro, you're over here just trying to get like these views just because you're trying to take care of us straight hair waves. People are trying to get waves of straight hair, bro. Like, you need to just stop saying how to get waves of straight hair, bro. Cause you don't have straight hair, bro. You don't. How can you even say that, dude?
And then there's even people that be coming at me like this, bro.
You be like, dude, just stop, bro. You're like a medium texture. Your hair's curly. How can you say you got straight hair waves? Because I'm a straight hair waiver.
I'm just saying. Look, I'm just saying. Y'all better talk to me nice. Talk to me nice, okay? Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. I pull up and I come.
Okay, so if you have 4C all the way to 4A, you are a coarse hair waiver. This means you got waves more like 360 wave process. You got waves like poppy blasted. Okay, that's the type of waves you have when you're in between those. All right, those three right there means you're a coarse hair. Now, if you're a medium texture, you're between a 3C and a 3A. Okay, now that's your 360 Jeezys. Okay, look. This can go so many different ways. I don't know what type of hair texture Nick Wavy has, but it kind of looks more like just barely making it in a medium texture. It can go either way into straight hair. It can go either way into medium. But for me, I feel like it goes more into the medium type. That's just me. I mean, that could go either way. Okay, that could go either way. But that's talking more your 360 Jeezy. Okay, that's where you know, through Wavy Crockett and all that. You know, that's more the mediums. Okay. Now, when you talking about straight hair, okay. Now we talking about Tsunami Timo. If you don't know who that is, I'll link his channel down below. If you guys want to go subscribe, go ahead and go subscribe. 360 Louis, I'm pretty sure you guys know who that is too. Another straight hair waiver I'm cool with. If y'all don't know who that is, again, link will be down in the description below. Okay, it will be down in the description below. But and me myself, 360 was hello. I mean, I do have between a 2B and a 2C. So I mean, this is because I have very loose curls. Okay, I have very loose curls.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Oh, that makes me fall into the straight hair waiver category. Makes me a straight hair waiver. So which then I can say how to get straight hair waves. Okay? Now, the reason why I take out one, because it's either you go to a 2C to a 2A. I'm telling you now. I am telling you now. You cannot get waves with one. If you have a 1 on the hair scale, just don't do it. I'm trying to save y'all time. I'm trying to save y'all the money, the time that y'all can be doing with something else. Okay? But you know what? If you got a 2A, you know that one's more of like a little wavy. You know, you might be able to get 2. You might be able to get 2, 3 ripples, but you gonna get it. I mean, if y'all want to prove it, prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. I'm telling y'all right now. If you guys go to my Instagram, and if you guys DM me people that have a 1 on the hair scale, and they got waves, DM me a picture, and we will make a whole video about it. I will explain myself, because I came on here and said, if you got a 1, you can't get waves. So I will explain myself in every single picture, okay, just for you guys, just to show you guys that it is not possible to get waves with Asian hair. When I mean Asian, I'm talking about like it's so prickly, it's like a porcupine, or your hair is just straight. It don't do straight, no waves, just straight. Okay. But yeah, I mean, if y'all want to prove me wrong, go ahead, prove me wrong. Prove me wrong right now. Prove me wrong. We trying to bump, bruh. Gay. No, we ain't. But just prove me wrong. Just prove me wrong. I dare y'all, because I'm 99.9% sure I'm right. But, yeah, that's just kind of what I wanted to come on here and say. Because this is one of the most frequently asked questions. So that's why I came on here. I made a video about it. A lot of you guys wanted me to make a video on it. So I made a video on it because y'all know whenever you guys ask for a video, I always make a video and I always do what you guys want because I like to help you guys with your ways and make videos for everybody else that they didn't want to ask those questions. Did you guys get into that?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
But if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, if you guys want to make channel donations, so that because guys, I want to make dope content. All right, I want to make the special effects. I want to make the boom. I want to do all that.
I don't care.
But I can't do that with the help of you guys. So, of course, my Cash App, my PayPal will be down in the description below. If you guys just want to go ahead and drop a little something, you know, leave me a Christmas present. Leave me a Christmas present, alright? I'm over here giving y'all information. Y'all ain't give me no Christmas present for Christmas. But I'm just playing with y'all, you know, but for real. If you guys want to leave any channel donations, like I said, Cash App, PayPal down in the description below. But, you guys already know. Whoa, I zoomed that in really close. Okay. Stay wavy, and it's 360 Woods, and I'm out. Yeah!